the 24th of January 2024. And here we are with Lemoncello. Hello, darling. You're spread out a little bit. How are we doing today? How are we doing? You alright, darling? Good girl. I don't think we have any rivals, do we? Good girl. You're doing very well, though. We're going to check those eggs today, alright? Yeah, we're going to look at Sheila and Arkle's little... Hello, my darlings. Oh, no. Look at you. You've sprouted. Huh? Yes, you have. I think we need to clean that up. Oh, look, there's Mum. Oh, look. We've got a week-old Annie there, right behind Nicky. And we have our little Barry. And then we have our blue Lisa. Huh? Yes, we do. Do you want to come out? Right, darling, let's clean that nest. So Annie here is just opening her eyes, and she's a week old today, 7 days. And here's little Barry, getting his covering. He's got his downy feathers. Looks like you've had a little something on your back. Hello, baby. You're about, I'd say, 11, 12 days old, aren't you, huh? Yes, you are. Good boy. We have Lisa and we have Nicky. Nicky's shot round the back there. And here's Lisa coming out. The colours are coming out, aren't they? Yes, they are. We have Lisa and we have Nicky. Lisa's blue in the kitchen. And we have Molly. And we have Bobby and Jasper. So we've got a little menagerie here. Little Bubba's, just 3 weeks old. Right, Daddy? Do you want to go back to Mum and Daddy, do you? Do you, darling? Do you? Okay, we'll go back and see Mum and Dad, alright? Has Nicky gone to sleep? It's possible. Little Lisa just sitting there. Hmm? You're quite relaxed now. Got 2 little ones that are just over 3 weeks old. Quite relaxed with us, with the doggies. It hasn't taken that long, only about a week for them to get used to. And while Molly wants some attention. Oh my gosh. You're so pushy, Molly, darling. Yes, you are. Yeah. Where you going, Lisa? What are you doing? What are you guys doing? Huh? Hey, that's the machine turning itself off. Where you going? Oh, trying to get up. Okay, trying to get into the hoodie, I think. Hmm? What are you doing? You're having a little brain. These are relaxed little budgies. Hmm? Oh, I thought she was going to take you. No? No? No, you're going home. I thought you were going. I did. I thought you were going off else. Hmm? No? No? Good day. You're lucky to have this company like that. You just want attention, guys. So you want his attention, is it? Molly baby. You're such a soppy dog. There's Lisa. Snuggle bug on my neck. Nice cosy little thing you are, aren't you, darling? Who's having a wash? That was you, wasn't it? You just had to dive in. Yeah, you did. Oh! You went back in there again. You have a little dip. Yeah, you like it now, then. Yeah. You feel better now. You enjoy that. Oh! Dad was having a little wash as well. We're all going in. Having a bit of a dip. Do you like that little swimming pool? Yeah. Look at you, now you're going to go in, are you? You going to have a little swim? Oh, careful. Careful, Patch. Oh, careful. Going back in? Yep. Oh, you enjoyed that. Yeah. Very good also. Thanks a lot. So they found the swimming pool now. See who that is, because I can't tell from this, because some of them are the same colour. Patches there. Who's that? I can't tell from their backs. That looks like... That's... Oh! Who's that? Is that Pipsqueak? Is that Dotty? Oh, you're all having a go now. I could put a bit more water in there, so you don't have to sort of dive in. Oh, there's Fudge and Braveheart. Yep, let's swim in the swimming pool. You are. This is Dream's box, but she's just come out, so we're just going to check on her eggs. There we go for it. You know what? I'm going to see if there's any sign of life coming out. Something good should be happening now, so we're going to take a look. Okay, Lima's there. Right, everybody's had a nice afternoon. Bit of swimming, socialising, snacking, and I've taken out a few of the eggs from limoncello because they're just nothing is happening there. There's a couple that look like they were doing something, but I'll leave those. However, I'm afraid this is going to be an unsuccessful time for Limoncello and Jack. It's first time. I don't know what happened. A couple of eggs looked like they may have been knocked or something. Anyway, we'll see. And there's Jack. I've just brought him out here for a minute. He wants to come out. Oh, hello. And that's Fudge, who's... Never mind. What are you doing, Fudge? Oh, there's Braveheart saying hello to Jack. Oi, 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 hey! Stop it, you two. Stop it, you two. Come here. Come here, Jack. Okay. Going over there. Good girl. Hello, baby. It's alright. You darling? Good girl. Alright. Who's a good girl? Good girl. Okay. It's alright. Yeah, it's just a feather. Okay, darling, can you shut the door now? Sarah and Aqua just having a time out. Social. Here's Braveheart and Fudge, and here's Jack. I'm going to put Jack in a minute. I'm just going to put some spinach outside, and then we'll be saying good night to them all. They're all settling down, ready to have a quiet night. Wait a minute, what are you guys doing? Doesn't look very comfortable. What are you doing, Aqua? Hey, Nicky. It's weird calling you Nicky. Hello, darling.